Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the YouTube something went wrong monkey error on a desktop browser. First, open your browser settings and go to Privacy and Security. From here, delete the browsing data. Cached files can become corrupted and stop YouTube from loading properly. After clearing them, close the browser completely and open it again. Then go back to YouTube and check if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, open YouTube in an incognito or private window. This mode runs without most extensions and saved data. If YouTube works fine in incognito, then an extension is likely causing the issue. Next, go back to normal mode and disable your browser extensions one by one. Pay close attention to ad blockers, VPNs, and privacy tools. After disabling an extension, refresh YouTube and test again. Once you find the extension causing the error, keep it disabled or remove it. If that does not help, refresh the YouTube page and then restart your browser. If needed, restart your computer as well. This can fix temporary system or browser bugs. For Windows users, you can also flush your DNS. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flushgens and press enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Restart your computer after this step. After following these steps, YouTube should load normally without the monkey error. Thanks for watching.